Hello, and thank you for tuning in today. My name is Kimberly Bayana with the FIA News. A positive vibe today as investors watch the S&P move up. The S&P opened today at $4.773.58. After some ups and downs with an upward trend, the S&P closed at $4,781.58. A 0.14% gain. The spike is influenced by investor confidence driven by the fact that retail spending in the 2023 holiday season rose just over 3% year-over-year, marking a return to pre-pandemic consumer spending trends even as credit card debt is on the rise. The Dow Jones also experienced good trading today. The Dow Jones Index opened at $37,518.62 and closed at $37,656.52. A 0.3% gain that is sure to inspire investors. After what most would consider a tremendous dive in the gold index, we can see the gold index recovering. December 12, the gold index closed at $1,993.20. Today, the gold index closed at $2,069.80. What does this mean to individuals investing in indexing strategies such as IULs and index annuities? These investors in indexing strategies are sure to be celebrating the new year with excitement, knowing their gains are protected and their accounts are compounding. For individuals investing directly in the stock index, this holiday season has proven to be positive and a great way to bring 2023 to an end. In other news, the Financial Intelligence Agency's initiative to end poverty in the U.S. is gaining awareness. The Financial Intelligence Agency has partnered with the agency consulting and several nonprofits to drive this initiative. They are currently navigating through a thorough selection process, selecting communities to partner with in delivering free wealth-building workshops. If you are interested in supporting this initiative and would like to organize a free wealth-building workshop for your community, contact the Financial Intelligence Agency. There are links in the video description that you can use to request consultation. If you do not want to miss any updates from the FIA News, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This is Kimberly Bayana with the FIA News saying good night.